So that airplane over there is an example of what not to do in an airplane.
Holy crap, I wasn't even paying attention to that.
Yeah, that's our Aztec, our twin.
What happened?
They were going down the runway and you rotate or you lift off about 80 in that.
80, wow.
Right at 80, the door popped open.
Wow.
And they slammed on the brakes and skid off the end of the road.
Whoa.
So, the lesson of the story is don't abort for a door.
And make sure you've got aircraft insurance.
Yeah, that was stupid. That was 100% preventable. You should never abort for a door.
That looks like more than $20,000 worth of damage, though, isn't it?
It's total.
It's total?
That guy's cutting the wings off. That guy runs the salvage yard.
Wow.
So they're taking it to the salvage yard. They got it for 23 or 27, I think. The only thing worth anything is the engine and the avionics.
Huh.
So,
well, that's a bad day.
Stupid.
It's a bad day for everyone.
Yep.
Okay. Rotating beacon already checked. Mixture is rich. Throttle open. You got your seatbelt on it. Valve. Skip the step here. On. Radios and electric equipment. Circuit breakers in. This guy popping out.
That's okay. The EIS isn't working anyway. We got it.
Oh.
That's fine. Yep. You can pull it back out.
Okay. So breakers in. Okay, right. Throttle. Carb heat cold. Master switch on.
Button instead of the key.
Okay. Clear prop.
About 800. There you go. Perfect.
Same problem you did last week. And I was making fun of you. That's what I get. Let's go around.
Here we go.
Okay.
Alright.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058 on the ramp, taxi to runway 20, Twin Oaks.
That haze is weird at this time of day, isn't it?
I know, we're just going to stay in the pattern in Twin Oaks today. It's just, there's nowhere to really go as far as the weather goes, and it's just an okay day for pattern work, but not a whole lot more.
Just kick back here somewhere until you do
your run up. Yep, just go ahead and go to the left, to the right.
Okay.
Just kind of swing it behind him and you'll be in great shape.
Good?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, my nose wheel isn't straight though.
No, it is.
You
No.
feel it?
Yeah, it's okay. You can straighten it out. There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Flight control is free and correct. We're in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Valve on. Trim. Steer rich. Throttle to 1700.
Twin Oaks traffic 190-333 is departing 20 Twin Oaks.
check, so just turn one off and...
Yep, so turn one off. Should get a drop. Yep, now back on. And now the other one back off. Then back on.
Huh. Cool. Ammeter. Suction gauge is 4 and 6.
Keep 170 feet. So there's 120. There's 150. There you go.
Looks about right on.
Cool. All right.
Okay, radios. We're 12305.
Great. Looks good.
So we're good to go.
All right. We're just going to stay in the pattern here. So yeah, I'll let you do your call and we'll be out of here.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, departing runway 20, Twin Oaks.
Where was that coming from?
From Malino. Yep, they share the same frequency with us, so you'll hear a little bit of crossover from them. So nice.
Heard the right downwind. I was like,
Yep. Right down 14 at Malino. All right.
okay. Ready to blast off, as you say?
Yep.
Let's do it. Feet on the floor. Full throttle.
Gentle. Now use your trim if you need it. I always trim immediately if I need it. There you go.
I'll get kicked around up here. The 1.5. Oh, some birds up there too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them. They're flying great.
Getting out of here.
Go to Mexico.
I don't blame them.
Yeah.
Alright, push the nose forward a little bit. We are getting tossed.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, turning left crosswind for runway 2, Twin Oaks. Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058 on the left downwind for runway 2, Twin Oaks.
Demon burst. 5 feet out. 100. Drop. Flaps 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4. Them trim. Very straight here.
Don't level off. You're looking at it not descending. So
Push it forward a little.
yeah.
Yeah. Still kind of
Keep an eye on the prize of the runway.
Another 10 degrees. 3,000. 4.
Okay, you actually got almost full flaps in because you only want 3 seconds. So now watch, you're going really, really slow. You want to be about 80 out here.
Kick my nose
Why
down.
don't you pull some of those flaps up? There you go, that's about right.
Okay.
And now keep your speed up. So lower your nose a little bit more. maybe trim it down if you need to. That trim is definitely not ever a set and forget, right?
Yep.
It's using it, using it, using it. And look at the runway. There's nothing to see out here. Just the runway. There you go.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, turning final for runway 2.
Twin Oaks. And as you say, get it up out here. So
Yeah.
I'm going way too
So
fast.
now you're going to fix your speed, so what are you going to do about that? Pull power and raise the nose. Just pulling power is just going to keep going the same amount of speed, but you just start descending.
Okay.
So use your trim.
North 7.
And no death grip whatsoever. Gentle controls. There you go. Okay. You're going to land in the river if you don't have power. There you go. Last.
Whoa! Go around.
Yeah. Let's go on full power, full power, full power.
Carb in.
Right rudder. Climb.
Yep.
Now
Climb.
climb. A little bit of right rudder.
Oh, it's disappointing.
You just froze on me. You had it. A little bit of right rudder. And let's climb like 70 miles an hour.
Upset.
You can't freeze up. You sure get tense when you're low to the ground, and that's the worst time.
Am I tense?
Yeah, I can feel it. Tense up. Just gotta relax. You're very choppy with your inputs. You're like, add a bunch of power or low. You came in way too low there, by the way.
Yeah, I did.
And don't wait till you're too low to add power. Use it as a preventative measure, right? Because there's a lag. This thing you gotta think ahead of the airplane. Don't react. Be proactive, right? Because I was, boy, you're getting low, and then I'm like, you're gonna put it in the river,
Yeah.
because you were that low. So get power in before you need it. I think you're still like hesitant to make changes. Do anything you need to do to make it work.
Turn left.
Yep, you're good. We'll tell them we're on a crosswind.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058 on a left crosswind for runway 2, Twin Oaks.
Okay. Get back to 1200 here. Alright. Let's try this again. Okay. Carb it up. Throttle to 15. Dropping. Flash at 10, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Good.
Okay. Trim. Going way fast.
Good. Looking at the runway, because there's nothing to see out front. Make sure you're not going to the right or the left or any of that.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, left base for runway 2, Twin Oaks.
You want to make sure and take a snapshot. Be like, okay, am I high, low, fast, slow?
High and fast.
Okay, so we'll fix it.
Okay, pull the nose up and let a little power out.
You add your flaps too.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. 1,002, 1,003.
Go. Now you've been turning early, so don't
Have I?
turn yet. Yep.
Okay.
You undershoot. But now turn. There you go. And then stop the turn a little bit so you don't undershoot.
Okay.
Alright, so you roll out right on the center line. Cool. Alright, you're right at 70. That's looking good. Remember, power controls altitude. Pitch or yoke controls airspeed. So if you're too fast, you pull back on the yoke. If you're too slow, you lower the nose. If you're too high, you pull some power out. If you're too low, you add a little power in. Now, this looks pretty good. Just nice and gentle, relaxed. I'd add some power. You're sinking, so be proactive. And then lower the nose when you do that because it makes the nose rise, correct?
Yep.
Maybe more power. More power. come on, you gotta be more aggressive here. Okay? Just relax. You gotta be in control of it. Now, full power out. Keep your head up. Look all the way down the runway. All the way to idle. Okay. Start flaring. Hold it off. Hold it off. There you go. Little bit break in there.
You just keep pulling back?
Yeah, hold the nose back to keep the pressure off the main.
Okay.
The nose wheel. Sorry. There you go.
Okay.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, clear runway 2, Twin Oaks.
Good, then our after landing there, flaps are up, carb heats back in, mixture is lean for taxi, it's fine, we're just going to taxi right over there, and lights are as required, so we're good?
Good.
Alright. Better?
A little better, but
You're really hesitant when you get low to the ground, and that's the time you don't want to be hesitant. It's the time you just like, okay, if I'm off, or if I'm getting crooked, just fix it immediately, but just be fluid, I guess. Try and be fluid all the way down until you touch down. Even after you touch down, you're still putting inputs in. Oh, that was better. Alright,
let's go.
Watch that bitch is way up high. Look at your speed. Don't do that. You'll stall. There you go.
Twin Oaks traffic 333 is about 4 east inbound for a left crosswind entry for 2 Twin Oaks.
Traffic Cessna 16058, we're on a left upwind for runway 2, and we have a 333 on the crosswind inside.
Yeah, we got you inside. You want to go first, or shall we?
I will head over River Road, sneak ahead if that's okay.
Tell you what, we'll make a right 360 come in behind you.
No worries. Alright, so cool. You're good to turn crossing. And we're both there at the same time.
Gotcha.
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, turning left crosswind for runway 2, Twin Oaks.
Still climbing, so lower your nose first. Because all you're going to do is just wallow through the air if you don't lower your nose.
Okay.
Anyone the pattern at Twin Oaks?
Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058, turning left downwind, runway 2, Twin Oaks.
333 left crosswind 2. Twin Oaks Air Traffic 4 Kilo Uniform reporting runway 20 eastbound.
And you'll be fine. You'll be out of here.
Let him get out of here before I turn.
Nope, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Just do what you normally do.
Oops. Hurry it out. Throttle 15. Flaps 10 degrees. 1,002, 1,003, 1,000. Trim it out.
Okay.
Turn here.
No, not yet.
Okay.
You've been turning too early every
Alright.
time.
I was,
Now turn.
I was gonna wait, but you said okay. I thought that was the
No.
universal sign for turning final.
There you go. Now roll out a little early. Now you're low. So add a little power, and then keep it coming right at 70. Now I want you making changes in the power all the time. So this is definitely not set and forget. So now you're a little high, so we'll come out of power. So I want you changing that all the time. Okay, now we're a little high still.
Malal Airfield, Cessna 773. So we are now to the north inbound for landing, Malal.
Use your hands a little bit.
Oh, rough. Dang it.
You want to deflare a little more. Just remember, you want to hold it off. Don't let it land. Don't let it land. Show everyone a nice wheelie.
Honestly, Kelly, I think my head is elsewhere today.
I can kind of tell. Why don't I do one,
Okay.
just to show you, and then we'll call it good. Or then maybe have you do another, but... Oh.
Arming in, flaps up.
Sorry.
Okay.
Alright. I'm just going to show you one, okay?
Okay.
The whole thing. I want you to just relax.
Your plane.
333 is clear.
So they're clear. 4 kilo uniform left. So trim set, carpet set, flaps are set. Nobody's coming in on final. And they're clear, so we'll have a look over there. That final looks clear. Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 16058 departing 20, Twin Oaks.
Milano traffic, Cessna 773, 1 kilo, 5 miles to the north, inbound for landing Milano.
So you do a pretty long wheelie there, don't you?
You felt you couldn't even feel us leave the ground. You're just like, oh, we're in the air now. So right about 70. Right over the river.
Milano traffic, Cessna 1 kilo, 2 miles north, inbound for landing Milano.
Same thing as just use that trim. Look at how hard I'm working. Yeah, wrestling.
Milano, where are you? Milano strip. Cessna 773, 1 kilo, overflying midfield for a left downwind for 32.
Traffic, Cessna 16058, return left upwind, runway 2, Twin Oaks.
Where's that other airport located?
Milano is, you know where Aurora is? It's about, 10 miles straight east of there. It's south of, I'd say it's south of Gresham, like 25 miles. We'll go there sometime. It's like a 3,500 foot strip.
Yeah.
It's kind of quiet. There's not much going on. There's no tower. There's not even an FBO on the field. There's just fuel pumps and hangars. But it can be a good spot to train sometimes because it's not a lot of traffic to deal with. Alright, so coming up on 1200, lowering the nose first, getting a little speed going. Let it wind up, so to speak. Pull power back, use my trim, make my life easy.
Traffic, Cessna 16058, left crosswind for 2, Twin Oaks.
One thing I notice is when you're in cruise, you're always like fiddling and fudging and messing with stuff. Use this time to just relax, you know? Right now if you're pretty trimmed out, I need to help it a little bit, but I'm pretty much hands off. Just kind of, and I know you work a lot harder than I do because I just sit here and bark at you. You're the one doing all the flying and everything, but if you give yourself this time to just relax and not have to fight the airplane, your landing will be a lot better.
Traffic, Cessna 16058 on the left, down 1 for 2, Twin Oaks.
So I've been dividing my attention outside. I look at the gauges a little bit, but not mainly. I'm mainly looking outside. So there's the runway, about halfway up the strut. And what do you know? There we are.
We're pretty close to the white arc.
Yep. Throttle, carpet, throttle to 15, 1,000, 2,000, 3. A little bit of trim up. We still want the nose to drop, but we don't want it like lawn dart style. So we're losing some altitude, about 85, 90, something like that's good. I'm looking at the runway, so keep an eye on that runway there. About a 45 degree. There's not much to see out there. I can glance, but you're looking at the runway. So we're looking pretty good back there over your left-hand shoulder. Here we go.
Cessna 16058, turn left base for runway 220.
So we're on base, 1000, 2003. And we're still keeping our speed up. See how I'm not really 70 out here? I'm more like 80, 85?
Yeah.
That's helping me lose that altitude as well, and we don't fly super slow. So it's looking pretty good. Again, just try and be relaxed and trimmed up. You don't have to work as hard. I'm like a hawk watching that runway right now. And watching myself. So I'm a little high, so I'm going to pull a little bit of power out. I kind of took a mental snapshot and said, hey, I'm a high, low, fast, low. Here we go, we're turning on to final. And I'm high, so I'm going to pull some power out right now. But I don't want to go crazy, because if I pull a ton of power out, I'm going to be low real quick. So this looks pretty good. I'm slowing myself down to 70, because I'm a little bit high there. There we go, right about 70, and I'm pulling some power out. I'm too high. I'm going to put more flaps in. I kind of messed this one up. There we go. Now we're at 70. Looking good. So when I get close, relaxed. See how gentle I am? I'm still putting yoke inputs and stuff in, but I'm real relaxed. So I'm keeping my head up, and I'm thinking in my mind. Keep using my feet and my hands. Hold it off, don't let it land. Look at the nose is still in the air. And now I let it set down. A little bit of brake.
Tono, Cessna 16058, clear runway 220.
About this after landing.
Carbide in.
Up, carbide back in, trim back to the white line, and we're good. So I don't know if that kind of helps you, just real relaxed, real intentional with your inputs. Don't just put input into input,
Yeah.
but then again, don't freeze. So I know it's hard to do. It's finding that happy medium. You want to do one or you want to call it good?
Let's call it good. I feel like I need to call my dad, and I haven't talked to him today.
Okay.
And I just want to see how he's doing.
Definitely. All right, you got it. You can taxi back.
I thought I'd be able to shake this off today, but
It's hard, man. I know. I was, with my grandma, I was thinking about that when I was flying with people. It's hard,
usually when I'm up here, this is all I think about, and I'm not.
But it's
I'm not
one
like that
thing
today.
to be like casting off the worries of work
Yeah.
when you're
Sure.
up here
Yeah.
versus family stuff.
Yeah. How does that look?
There you go. Yep.
Okay. So avionics master.
The radios are off.
Throttle about 800, that's good. Go, and then don't forget your mag switches there. No, it's not a key, so. Right. And hey, if